Let's get started with our subject science for class 8. This is our chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. Here we are going to see some of the points from the chapter number 10 which I am going to explain you. I hope from these points you are able to understand full chapter, and if any problem occurs then comment me below. I will definitely sort it out. So firstly we can see humans become capable of reproduction after puberty sets in. Between the age of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescents. So, um, okay, between the age of 11 to 19 means after 10, we are becoming, or humans are becoming able or capable of reproduction, and this age is called after the puberty age, and this age is called adolescence. The onset of the puberty brings about growth of reproductive organs. As the puberty completes, reproductive growth of organs occurs. Hairs will be grow at various places on the body. There are different types of changes occurs in females, girls and boys. So in girls best developed, and in boys facial hairs are appearing. Voice of the boys become hoarse as voice box of the boys enlarges during the adolescence. Nextly we can see children gain height during adolescence. Some gain weight and some gain height, or and while some gain both of the things in an appropriate manner. Now now the question arises, we talk about the puberty. So what puberty actually is? So it is the time when sex organs begins to work. It brings about growth in reproductive organs and changes in the body. So puberty is just a time period in which our sex organs started working, and it also brings about growth in our reproductive organs, and various changes occur in our body. Then now we are seeing through the changes during the puberty. So what are the changes we are looking at this period? So first one is increase in height. The bones and the legs, the bones of the legs and the arms elongated, and as the bones get elongated, so the individual becomes tall and lanky. Changes in the body shape. In boys, body becomes more muscular, shoulder becomes wider and wider, and in girls, body shows curves in certain parts in the region, as like below the waist, become wider and broader. So these are some of the bodily changes in boys and girls. Now third one is change in voice. So as we see, in voice becomes hoarse or heavy due to extra growth in voice box, or we can say larynx. But in girls, the voice becomes high pitched and shriller. Okay, so this must be taken as a point. So fourth one is sweat and sebaceous gland. So in this time period, these glands also become more active and secrete more and more sweat and oil. So due to this, pimples problems occur in most of the adolescents after the starting of this period. And fifth one is emotional aspects develops, and we are going to know about our emotional things, our emotional feelings, and we are going to express more in emotionally manner than our previous lifestyle, previous age. Now, sixth one is mental and intellectual development is at its peak. So, at this time, our mental and intellectual growth or development occurs, and it started from our childhood, but at this time it is at very uh, very peak level. It is at very peak level. So if we can see the portion of the growth, so in this period the growth and development occurs at very high rate. Then we can see the onset of puberty and maturity of reproductive parts are controlled by hormones. We can see uh, the changes occurs as the reproductive parts become more mature. So how this occurs? So it is done due to some hormones. Means it is controlled by hormones. So hormones are actually the secretion of endocrine gland which pour them directly into the bloodstream, and then when they transfer to the exact position, then they start working. So pituitary gland secretes hormone which include growth hormones and hormones that make other glands such as the testes, ovaries, thyroids, adrenals secrete hormones, and the pancreas secrete thyroid produces thyroxine, and adrenal produce adrenaline. So there are different types of hormones, and they are also secreted by different types of glands. So pituitary glands secretes growth hormones and make other glands such as testes, ovaries, thyroids, adrenals to secrete hormones. These can stimulate these glands to secrete their hormones. So what pancreas secretes? So pancreas secretes insulin, thyroid produces thyroxine, and adrenal produces adrenaline. So these are some glands and their hormones. Now testosterone is the male hormone and estrogen is the female hormone. The uterine wall in females prepares itself to receive the developing fertilized egg. So it becomes more and more fertilized, and it can prepares itself. And if there is no fertilization, the thickening of the uterine wall breaks down and goes out of the body along with blood. This is called menstruation. So in females, when there is no fertilization, then the thickening of wall which is does for the carrying of embryo, so this will not happen. So these linings becomes useless. So these useless linings are all the thickened wall, uterine wall breaks down and go out of the body, and this process is known as menstrual. Now the last one, sex of unborn child depends upon whether the zygote has XX or XY chromosome. So it just depends on the number of type of the chromosomes of the zygote, and it is very important to eat balanced food and maintain personal hygiene during the adolescence, because we are developing more and more at this time period, and our growth also occurs in this period. So by taking balanced food and maintain personal hygiene, we can grow more and our growth also occurred at right position. So this is our last point of the chapter. Thank you. Bye bye.